Alright, hey, how's everybody doing? Today we're just gonna sit back and kind of create our own animations. So basically here, what I'm doing is, this video is brought to us by Castle Rank Studios, our sponsor that made this software that we're looking at. So this is a plugin called Character Hub, where it basically has everything. Character placement, clothes, claws, physics, you name it. It deals with basically props, weapons, and characters. So that's what we'll be using to animate. And no further ado, let's kind of get into it. So it's kind of setting the scene, grabbing the parts, and figuring out. Alright, so it does have a feature where you can key everything at once with what's selected. And if you're working with a full rig, what you can do is hit that select everything and then select the whole thing. And kind of run it through. Alright, so now we're switching between the elbows to get the actual right now. So this is me really testing the software. I first started using it, just trying to see how it worked, everything else. So, yeah, so right now I'm not gonna act like I'm a professional animator. That's what this software was. That's what's so great about it. Made it to where it could be done simply. So do all constraints and code. We're able to build this software. And some of this I actually went to school for a little bit with animations, but I'm not expert. So that's what we wanted to give with our whole. It's perfect. I think we're gonna go around, change the elbow a little bit. I can't turn this. Not like any other game. Try to make it. Key everything. Paste these and copy and paste. Alright, so as you can see, that's 11. Hey, so you can always hit your normalizer and make it either wider or smaller. Put expression constraints to it so you can use the graph. Alright, so we're gonna take those keys out, making that jump like that. It was giving me problems right here, but I did wind up getting past this. But like I said, I'm no expert at animating. That's why this was such a great accomplishment by the last video that you guys are gonna see. I'll probably put that one out shortly after this one. The transformation is just great. It really was. Get ready for our game coming up. Uh, we already put out Royal Killed, so Stage Zero will be coming soon. Then after that, it'll be Net Worth. Um, so yeah, we're working through everything now to get Stage Zero to where it's the absolutely funnest game ever. Now we have a still pose, no more jumping. A few seconds to get around that, but gotta save that work. Alright, we're gonna export that. Now we'll start bringing the weapon in. Okay, so we have it in. Start moving that up towards the hand. Good, good.